Mri'im minhum. That's likulli mri'im kasratin abi. Lẹ́yìn kasratin yẹn a ní mímù tó ní kíni o tó ní ṣẹ́dà pẹ̀lú kasra abi. So bayna imri'im àti mímù yẹn ma hukm hadha fi tajweed. What's the tajweed rules? Likulli mri'im minhum. Can I hear you? Idgham. Idgham. What types of idgham? Idgham bigunna, idgham bighayri gunna, idgham kamil, idgham naqis. Idgham bigunna. Why? Likulli mri'in minhum.
The name is under a gum letter and
the meme is under the gum letter. What's the condition for recognizing idgham? We have idgham shafawi, and we have normal idgham. So if you are telling us it is idgham, what type of idgham is that? You say idgham bigunna abi, and what's the reason for that? There is a condition for idgham. What's the condition, Muaz? What is the condition for idgham here? لِكُلِّ امْرِئٍ مِّنْهُمْ. Answer my question now. What's the condition for this idgham? The condition for this idgham is that the idgham bigunna aw bighayri gunna kamil aw naqis, tanwin or nun sakina must be preceded before any letter of idgham. Is that not? And we have seen imri'in, which is tanwin abi. Do you know what? In the presence of the judge, they want you to know if you know what you are saying. You understand? So you let them know you know what you are saying. That the condition for it is that tanwin or nun sakina must come before any of the letter of idgham, and mim is one of them, abi. And when they continue to ask you, okay, this why idgham bigunna or bighayri gunna, you tell them it is bigunna because you have applied nationalization, abi. You have applied what's it called, gunna. Is that clear now? Now next question, still on Muhammad. Yawma idhin sha, yawma idhin sha, yawma idhin sha. That's yawma idhin sha. Ikfa. Why is it ikfa? Tanwin is preceded by shin. Letter shin, and letter shin is one of the letters of us ikfa. You have explained it, and it is ikfa. What types of ikfa? Ikfa shafawi. Ikfa'un haqiqi. Ikfa akiki. You are saying nonsense. Ikfa akiki then is different from ikfa'un hakikiyun. You know it is ha, not a. Do you understand now? Now, Muaz, your question. Dahikatum mustabshira. What's the tajweed here? Dahikatum mustabshira. Idghamu bigunna. Is that now? Okay. Because tanwin is problem. Now next question. Yawma idhin 'alayha ghabarun. That's ghabarun. What's that ghabarun? How sakina? Because it is ghabaratun, but we are pausing. When I say ghabarun abi, and it sounds as if we are calling how ghabarun abi. So how sakina. Now next question was yawma idhin 'alayha. Yawma idhin 'alayha. What's the tajweed rules there? Yawma idhin 'alayha. Idgham ikfa. Idgham ikfa. Idgham ikfa akiki. You don't open your eyes. Ikfa akiki. Yawma idhin 'alayha. Idhin. Ah.